My name is Ivan Escobar. Here we are in Samuel Leeds crash course, and hopefully enjoying to be joining to the academy as well soon. A little bit of everything, I would say. I learned about BRR. I learned about service accommodation a lot, about like the everything about taxes, everything about like legal processes when it comes to do the business, which is very important, because all the paperwork, how to find deals, how to sell deals, and like yeah, everything is important for me right now.
Incredible. And what's it like being taught by Samuel? What's his presence like?
I like it. It's very challenging, I would say. It's very challenging. So it's like it reminds me to the Wolf of Wall Street. Remember? It's like pick the phone and make the calls. It's like it's very inspiring because he went through the process, and you can do it. He can do it, and he has the passion to help other people to get the financial freedom he got actually before.
Fantastic. And in general, on these events, people are calling up opportunities, there's deals being made. What's it like seeing it in real life?
It's like finding your tribe, honestly. It is like you get to know that this type of things is not impossible. There is a lot of people doing it, and if they're doing it, why you can't do it either? You can do it as well. You can as well. So it's very inspiring. To be here, honestly.
Incredible. What's your experience with it so far? What are you doing? What's your business?
Right now, I have a joint. I have a partner. I was investor at the beginning. I invest in the deals that he got, but I'm planning to get my own deals right now. So I'm trying to source deals, then get into service accommodation, and then BRR hopefully, but in the long run, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now.
Fantastic. And to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, would you recommend they come down here?
I would say so, yeah. I mean, they can do it on their own, but the academy will shorten the way. It's like a shortcut you can take. It's not easy way, but you have the mentors that are gonna help you with the process.